bacteria, bacteria, bacteria. Microscopic, microscopic, microscopic. Organism, organism, organism. Classified, classified, classified. Schizophyta, schizophyta, schizophyta. Unicellular, unicellular, unicellular. Rigid, rigid, rigid. Chlorophyll, chlorophyll, chlorophyll. Hi family member, welcome to the 16th day of the 21 days journey. How are you doing today? Top of the day to you from wherever you're watching me from. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. Right here we learn how to read, write and speak. It sounds like what you're interested in. Why not join the family by subscribing? And if you're a returning subscriber, you're just amazing. Thank you for sticking around. So let's dive right into the video. Another, another, another. Plants, plants, plants. Carbohydrates, carbohydrates, carbohydrates. Glycogen, glycogen, glycogen. Nuclear, nuclear, nuclear. Material, material, material. Contains, contains, contains. Under, under, under. Enclosed, enclosed, enclosed. Group, group, group. Amino, amino, amino. Membrane, membrane, membrane. Reproduce, reproduce, reproduce. Prokaryotic, prokaryotic, prokaryotic. Nature, nature, nature. Rapidly, rapidly, rapidly. Binary, binary, binary. Favorable, favorable, favorable. Condition, condition, condition. Bacterium, bacterium, bacterium. Millions, millions, millions. Fund, fund, fund. Almost, almost, almost. Every, every, every. Fishing, fishing, fishing. Environment, 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 water, 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 human, 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 inside, 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 order, order, order. So these are the list of 2-letter, 3-letter, and 4-letter words we're likely going to see on today's comprehension. So let's read them together. Is, of, as, in, as, by. Again, is, of, as, in, as, by. Now 2 3-letter words I have are, not, and, one, may, day, Again, are, not, and, one, may, day, Now 2 4-letter words we have day, cell, wall, acid, lack, form, soil. Again, day, cell, wall, acid, lack, form, soil. So this is the outcome of the words we just pronounced. So today's topic is bacterial. Bacterial. Bacterial is another name of microscopic organisms. They are classified as Schizophyta under plant. They are unicellular, have rigid cell walls, contain amino acid, and lack chlorophyll. Again, bacterial is another group of microscopic organisms. They are classified as Schizophyta under plant. They are unicellular, have rigid cell walls, contain amino acid, and lack chlorophyll. Store carbohydrates in form of glycogen. Their nuclear materials are not enclosed with nuclear membranes, and so prokaryotic in nature. They reproduce rapidly by binary fusion. Under favorable conditions, one bacteria may produce millions of bacteria in one day. Under favorable conditions, one bacteria may produce millions of bacteria in one day. Bacteria are found in almost every environment, e.g., in air, in water, on human skin, and inside other organisms. Bacteria are found in almost every environment, e.g., in air, in water, on human skin, and inside other organisms. Okay, so how was it today? How was today's class? I hope we are actually making progress, because at the end of this journey, I want to hear from my students. I want to see the impact of this journey. Okay, don't forget, today is actually the 16th day of this journey, and if you're just joining us, make sure you go back there, watch our day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till date, so you can actually know what you have been missing, what you missed, and you can actually know how we get to this point. Okay, so thank you for watching, keep staying safe, and bye for now.